Today I would like to introduce you to a very nice piece of gear that has been brought to you by the brave guys from Vertigo Sound. Following their already highly regarded stereo VCA compressor, the VSM-2 mix satellite provides a huge set of well laid out features that make this unit a Swiss Army knife for a wide array of mixing and mastering applications. With 2 inserts, 2 saturation generators, intelligent MS processing, and ample metering capabilities, this unit can not only serve as a mastering backbone to tie all your analog mastering gear together, you can also use it for many mixing applications and even for some cool sound design tricks. Now let me show you the features in detail. First of all, the mix satellite provides a relay coupled bypass for maximum sonic integrity when in bypass. There also are detented input and output controls. First in the chain there is a stereo insert that you can use either in left-right or mid-side mode. And should you want to use parallel compression, you can activate the blend pod with this switch and then blend between the wet and the dry signal. There also is a second stereo insert that you can also use in left-right and mid-side mode. When in mid-side mode, you can monitor the mid and the side signals independently, and there are LEDs flashing to indicate that the switch is activated. When in left-right mode, you can use this pod to rebalance your stereo spectrum, and when in S mode, you can use it to change the ratio between the mid and the side signal. The mix satellite also provides 2 independent saturation stages. The first one generates the second harmonic and the second one generates the third harmonic, and both of them are using discrete circuits for saturation. When activated, you can process either the left-right or the mid and side signals independently. There also is a switch to switch between soft and hard clipping. The first pod that you want to touch is the drive control that lets you dial in the desired amount of saturation, and then there is a level pod at the output of the section. It provides LEDs for input and output levels so that you can use them as a visual reference for level matching, which comes in very handy. There also is a mix pod that lets you blend between the processed and the unprocessed signal. Furthermore, the saturation stage has 2 filters. One of them is before and the second one is after the saturation stage. So with the first one, you can select the part of the frequency spectrum that you want to run into the saturation. And the second one is a simple low-pass filter for smoothing of the sound. The trick here is that it adds the unprocessed signal above the corner frequency, so no part of the frequency spectrum ever gets lost. And the same applies for the second section.